Senna leaves. The leaves of the senna plant are consumed as tea and have a laxative effect, which can be used for detoxification, intestinal cleansing, and constipation relief, among other things. Characteristics and active ingredients. Senna leaves contain 3% hydroxyanthraquinone derivatives known as sennosides. Senna leaves can be used as a colon-stimulating laxative because they speed up the gastrointestinal passage and increase the water content of the stool. The healing effect eliminates constipation and is suitable for natural intestinal cleansing. Rectal-anal wounds like anal fissures and hemorrhoids are treatable. Cleanses the body. Aids in weight loss. Adverse effects. Senna leaves should only be used for a short period of time because prolonged use can cause chronic constipation, kidney damage, muscle weakness, and heart function disturbances. Dosage to treat constipation: 1 to 2 teaspoons of senna leaves are poured over hot water and left to steep for 10 minutes. It is best to cover the cup with a lid or saucer to prevent steam and important volatile oils from escaping. Then strain the leaves and drink the tea. The effect will occur after 8 to 12 hours, so it makes sense to take it before going to bed. In a course of treatment to detoxify the body, the tea can be drunk daily before going to bed, but it is very important to make a course of treatment for a maximum of 1 to 2 weeks. If cramping gastrointestinal symptoms occur during use, the dose should be reduced. In the description, we linked products that will help you. We hope you will give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. We look forward to see you in the next video.